Presenting the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power outlet, aluminum wheels, CD player, intermittent wipers, passenger airbag sensor, passenger vanity mirror, ABS, floor mats, and passenger airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.